My dear students, this is the part 7th of chapter 10. Kiran went shopping with rupees 200. Look at the bill. The shopkeeper forgot to put the point correctly in the price. Okay, so what he forgot to put the point? Put the point in the correct place and find out the total amount of bill. So see over here students, price in rupee 1250, 5025, 2725 and 6000. Already he had 200 rupees and how much he spent? Okay, so shopkeeper forgot. So we have to put the decimal point. So who can give the answer where we have to keep the decimal point? Yes, after the 2 digit, and this we have to start from the right side. Why 2 digit? Because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So here 1 and 2, here put the point 1 and 2, here put the point 1 and 2, put the point 1 and 2 and put the point. So it means 12 rupee and 50 paisa, 50 rupee and 25 paisa, 27 rupee and 25 paisa and 60 rupee. Okay, what is the total? You have to do by yourself. Which city is cool? We know whose temperature is lower. This is the cool. I live in Himachal. There the temperature in winter is 2 degrees Celsius. Sometimes water in pipes freeze into ice. Okay, water in pipes also freezes into ice. So 2 degrees Celsius. But in Rajasthan where I live, the temperature reached 48 degrees Celsius. It means too much hot, student. Okay. Here it is very hot. One has to walk kilometer to get water. Okay. So we have to walk for kilometers to get water. So which one is the cool? Yes, of course, Himachal. Yes. So you have to remember whose temperature is lower. It's the cool than the higher one. Okay. Now temperature in each city was noted at the 3 p.m. January 16, 2008. Okay, January 16 it is noted, and this is the temperature of 3 p.m. Which place had the highest temperature at the 3 p.m.? Which one having the highest and which place is the coolest at that time? Coolest means lowest temperature and highest means hot. Okay. Which one is the highest temperature, student? Yes, Mumbai. Because here 35.1 degree. Here 33. So which one is the highest? You have to write in notebook. Okay. So you have to write Mumbai had the highest temperature at 3 p.m. Which place is the coolest? Coolest 4, we want the smaller. Yes, here Srinagar, 8.1 only. So here you have to write Srinagar is the coolest at the 3 p.m. Clear? How much the higher is the temperature in Mumbai from the Srinagar? How much higher? How much higher? So what we have to find? Difference between the temperature of the Mumbai and Srinagar. So difference, what we have to do? Yeah, subtraction. So here you have to write Mumbai 35.1 degrees Celsius and the Srinagar 8.1 degree Celsius. Point under point, 1 from the 1, 8 from 5 not possible, take over here borrowing. Here 2, 8 from the 15, it is a 7. Sorry, 1 from the 1, it is a 0. Okay, student. And here nothing is there. If you want to keep the 0, so you can keep, and if you know directly, then you can write 0 from the 2 degree Celsius. So what is the difference? 27 degree Celsius. Okay. So you have to do the subtraction like this way, students. Down statement you have to write how much higher is the temperature in Mumbai from the Srinagar. So 27 degree higher temperature in Mumbai from that in Srinagar. Okay. How many degrees will temperature need to rise for it to reach 40 degrees Celsius in Tiruvananthapuram. Okay. So 40 degree. We have to reach till 40 degree, and what is the temperature of the Tiruvananthapuram? 33.5. So what you have to do? You have to subtract 33.5 from the 40. So 40 minus 33.5. See students, over here 40 degree is a full. Okay, but we have to subtract 33.5. How you can subtract? Can I show over here? 40 degree full, it means 0, nothing, 0.0. Why we want? Because we have to subtract 33.5, decimal point under decimal point. Then the simple subtraction. 10 over here, 9 over here, 3. So 3 from the 9 it's a 6, 5 from the 10 is a 5. So what is the 6.5 degrees Celsius? Okay, so this much degree we want to reach the 40 degree Celsius. How much lower is the temperature of Kolkata from the Chennai? So now you have to try by yourself. Okay, how much lower the temperature of Kolkata from the Chennai? So we have to compare Kolkata and Chennai. Okay. So how much lower? Which one is a lower? Kolkata. So you have to do the subtraction. Here temperature is given regarding the 3 a.m. Okay. Fifth one is the temperature in these cities was also noted at the 3 a.m. Here you have to find regarding p.m. only. Okay. Fifth is regarding a.m. The temperature in these cities was also noted at the 3 a.m. on the same day. Look at the table and answer the question. Okay, now we have to give the answer from this table. Which place had the lowest temperature at 3 a.m.? Which having the lowest temperature? Yes, Srinagar. Yes, so you have to write Srinagar had the lowest temperature at the 3 a.m. Imagine yourself to be there and describe how it would feel. How it will feel? 1.3 it means, my God, ice only. Okay, is too much cold over there. Yes, so it is the ice, because in this Himachal Pradesh, here at the 2 degrees Celsius, water freeze in the pipe. Okay, so what's the condition over here at the 1.3? Understood? So you have to describe here. What is the difference between the temperature at the 3 p.m. and 3 a.m. at the Chennai and in Bhopal? Okay, so we have to find regarding the Chennai and Bhopal. 3 p.m. and a.m. So for the Chennai at the 3 p.m. what is the temperature? Where is the Chennai, student? Here. Okay, so it's the 29.9 degrees Celsius, and at the 3 a.m. Chennai is 21.1 degrees Celsius. So you have to do the subtraction over here. We have to find the difference. And same way for the Bhopal. So here Bhopal, here 25.9 degrees Celsius at 3 p.m. and for the 3 a.m. Bhopal 9.8 degrees Celsius. Again you have to do the subtraction and find out the answer. Write properly at 3 p.m. this temperature and at 3 a.m. this temperature. Okay, you have to write all these things in your notebook nicely. So here our chapter is over, students. and our examination portion is also over. So I hope you will give your best. All the best in advance. Thank you.